in this section of the tutorial, we are going to learn about the user interface. So the next layer here is known as the the toolbar. On the toolbar here, you can create new pages within CorelDraw. You can also open existing drawings, and also copy and paste. There are so many commands on the toolbar, hosting most of the commands that you can also find at the drop down menus. And the third layer here is known as the property bar. This property bar has a lot of features that has to do with the page, the current page. You can change the paper type, and also give a custom size here, and you can also change the orientation of the paper from landscape to portrait, and change the drawing units. You can change from inches to centimeters or pixels, even points, depending on your project type. So basically that's what you use the property bar, the property bar to do. And the vertical standing one here is known as the toolbox. This is the super graphic design tools that we're going to be using in making amazing graphics to come. So these tools are here, and by the right hand side here you have the color palettes. It's where you can pull colors to your graphics and blend them as much as possible. These colors are also pulled out. You can pull it out to find more colors using the small arrow just beside here. Pull down those colors. So beneath it here you have the navigator. This enables you to navigate around the screen environment. Once you press and hold and then you begin to move your mouse, you'll notice that you'll be navigating around the screen area. So just down here you also have the document section, the document pages. You can add additional document pages here, and as well right click and delete them, or you can even insert pages after or before, or duplicate an existing page, or even rename. You can rename a page, let's say DVD pack. You can rename this page, and then the front one here you can also rename it as let's say cover page. So you have cover page and DVD pack here. That's how you rename pages. You can right click and delete, or you can even insert page before. You can insert a new page in front of DVD cover, which was the first page. So that's how you make use of this section of the document pages. And right here you have the printable area, which is the rectangular area that gives you the paper size or paper type you intend to print your document on. And here is the window section of the paper type. So these are some of the basic user interface technique, or let me say, we'll have to be familiar with. So we are going to pick some of the key tools within the user interface and be looking at them in a more detailed definitions.